I took the little Neo we all loved and fixed every tiny headache without losing the pocketable magic. Today, we're comparing the DJI Neo 2 to the original Neo to see which changes actually matter and which are just nice-to-haves. I'll break down design, camera and gimbal upgrades, flight feel, sensing and safety, battery and storage realities, and finally, who should upgrade. Stick around. The obstacle sensing section has one surprising detail that makes the Neo 2 feel way more confident in the air. On the surface, the Neo 2 keeps DJI's mini but mighty philosophy. It's still compact, but that slightly heavier 150-gram body already tells you something. That tiny weight bump buys stronger motors, a sturdier frame, and tighter joints. The Neo was charming and lightweight, but sometimes felt a bit fragile in breezy conditions. The Neo 2 feels polished instead of prototype. Propeller guards are tougher, the finish looks cleaner, and the overall impression is a product that's been matured by feedback. Trust me on this one, those small mechanical improvements add up to fewer heart-stopping moments when you fly in imperfect conditions. This is where the Neo 2 makes the biggest creative leap. The original Neo shot 4K at 30 frames per second with a single-axis gimbal. Smooth enough for quick posts, but it showed its limits during pans and dynamic moves. The Neo 2 upgrades optics and processing to give richer detail and better dynamic range, but the real game changer is the dual-axis tilt and roll gimbal. Your horizons stay level during banking turns and diagonal movement, which means much less stabilization work in edit. Add 4K at 60 frames per second and you suddenly get viable slow-motion options. Colors are punchier but more natural, highlights behave better, and skin tones look nicer straight out of camera. For travel reels and cinematic clips, that alone justifies a lot of the premium. Both drones are nimble and fun, but the Neo 2 feels calmer. Upgraded motors and refined flight controller algorithms mean it holds position with more poise and resists wind better. The Neo could be twitchy in gusts. The Neo 2 is steadier in hover, smoother in turns, and transitions feel less abrupt. Controls feel intuitive and connected, which makes creative flight paths easier to execute. If you value a relaxed flying experience where the drone behaves predictably, the Neo 2 delivers. Obstacle sensing is one of the Neo 2's most practical upgrades. The original had basic downward sensors suitable for takeoff and simple landings. The Neo 2 adds omnidirectional awareness with forward LiDAR and improved side and downward sensors. In practice, that means earlier detection of obstacles and smarter avoidance. It's not flagship level, but for a pocket drone it's impressive and it lets you focus on composition instead of panic. Transmission improvements give a clearer video feed in interference-heavy environments, and internal storage doubled from about 22 GB to 49 GB. That's huge for spontaneous shoots where you do not want to swap cards mid-adventure. Battery life sits close to the original at around 18 to 19 minutes, but the Neo 2 uses power more efficiently during active movement. The usable footage time feels longer because the drone manages energy better and charges quicker thanks to improved thermal design. So while the spec sheet looks similar, day-to-day flying is more reliable and less interrupted. Is the Neo 2 worth the extra cash? If you are new to drones, skip the Neo and go straight to the Neo 2. It is more future-proof, cinematic, and safer in trickier environments. If you already own a Neo, your choice depends on what you do. Casual social clips still look great on the original, but if you care about horizon-perfect footage, smoother motion, better obstacle sensing, or more internal storage, the Neo 2 is a meaningful upgrade. So tell me, are you grabbing the Neo 2 for the gimbal and video quality, or for the smarter sensing and reliability? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you like this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss the deep dive where we compare footage and flight logs in detail.